And today's offering is a brand spanking new 1.2 tonne, 1200 kilogram swivel skip track pedestrian dumper. That was a big mouthful, wasn't it? Basically what's different about this is this, as well as tipping up, it turns as well. You'll see it in action in a minute or two. And it carries 1.2 tonne. So look at the size of that skip. You'll see it better when I'm stood on it. It's bad to get the scale just now. You can stand on the back there, which I'll be doing, or you can fold that up and walk behind it. Nice simple petrol engine hiding in here. I've just shown you all that. 4 simple controls, 1 to swivel, 1 to tip, and these 2 do your tracking forwards and backwards. You've got your ignition there, isolator there, them's your revs, choke over there for when you're cold starting it. We've got 2 clocks here. Let's just turn them on. Oh, I've isolated it, sorry. One showing the voltage, one showing the hours. Look, it's done less than 1 hour. It's a brand new machine. What a piece of kit this is. For the money we're asking for this, it won't half quickly earn its money back, won't it? Nice and simple, no electronics, nothing complicated about it. Watch the rest of the video, see it doing its thing. If you like what you see, get in touch. There's nothing complicated about this machine at all. We've got a Honda copy 420cc petrol engine in there. There's no computers hiding, there's no ECUs. Oil cooling fan there for the hydraulics. Nice simple engine. Pull start back up down there, look. Hard to see, but there it is. You can reach in and do a pull start if your battery's flat. That's it, nothing complicated at all. 2 keys. And we get an owner's manual. We get an operator's manual for the engine, a track mini dumper operator's manual, a service kit, new plugs, filters, and a little tool kit, grease gun and spanners. They all come with it.